Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Aira Azura Sujatmiko from Palembang. I study at Elementary School of Muhammadiyah 14 Palembang. Now I would like to deliver a speech with the title, How to Reach Our Dream. Well, dream is a wish that our heart makes. A dream is a statement of greater good we want to create in the world. Mr. Sukarno, the first president of Indonesia, said, reach your ambition as high as the skies, dream it as high as the skies, because if you fall, you're going to fall among the stars. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we know, every kid has a dream of what he wants to be when he grows up, including me. I have my dream. I want to be a successful and famous person. I want to influence and inspire many people to do beneficial things. I want to be the agent of better change. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to reach our dream, of course, we need full support from our parents, family, teachers, and friends. We must be confident, be positive, and appreciate little things as well as the big. We must have purpose, not only dream, but to seek God's will in that dream. We must know well our strength. Keep the dream alive. Feel it in heart so that dream is possible. Focus forward and visualize the dreams every day. Be disciplined, study hard, keep praying, and keep the spirit high. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's dream big and dream right. Let's inspire each other. Let's brighten the universe with noble dream. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.